Hello everyone. My today's video is on breathing exercises, and that's for kids. You must be wondering that yoga and breathing exercises are for adults only. In fact, these yoga and breathing exercises can leave positive impact on children well-being. Yes, it helps to manage anxiety, and it also helps children to reduce their stress, and in a healthy way. It can also enhance their concentration and memory. So I request you to give a pause in your busy life and please do these breathing exercises with your children, and you will definitely see the positive changes in them. Thank you. Hey, hello everyone. How are you all? Welcome to Funology, learning with fun. So friends, you must be wondering what we are going to do today. So today we will do something special for our body and mind. So are you all ready? Great. So quickly sit down, cross your legs, sit straight, close your eyes, and think about all the beautiful things around you and say thank you to God and smile. So are you all ready? So let's get started. So any guesses what we are going to do today? We will be doing the breathing exercises. So the first breathing exercise is the balloon breathe. So what we are going to do, we will sit straight and tall, and then just hold your belly and pretend that it's a balloon. Now inhale the air and feel the balloon is getting bigger. Stay there. Now slowly exhale. And the balloon is getting smaller. Stay there for a moment and again inflate the air in the balloon. It's getting bigger, and now deflate the air. It's getting smaller. Can we do this exercise with hands and mouth? So ready? So we will blow a big balloon. Balloon is getting bigger. Now let's burst the balloon. Let's do it one more time. Let's blow the balloon. And burst. Great. So this was the balloon breathe. Now let's move on to the second breathing exercise. And the second breathing exercise we are gonna do is the bunny sniff. Ready? So again, sit straight and still like a bunny. And what we are going to do in bunny sniffs, we will breathe through our nose. We will take 3 bunny sniffs in a row and quickly. Alright? So 3 quick bunny sniffs through the nose. Ready? Now stay there for a moment and breathe out through your mouth. Isn't it easy? Let's try it again. Ready? Sit straight, tall, and still like a bunny. Now we will take 3 quick sniffs. Stay, relax, and breathe out through your mouth. Oh, I'm feeling amazing. So, are you ready for the third breathing exercise? And the third breathing exercise is hot cocoa. Yummy! So what you will do, just pretend that you're holding a hot cocoa mug and bring it near your mouth and just smell the aroma of hot cocoa. Yummy! And now slowly blow. Just pretend that you're blowing out the steam to cool it. Isn't it easy? So again, do it with me. What we are going to do? We are gonna pretend that we are holding a hot cocoa mug and then breathe. Inhale the aroma. Smell through your nose. And blow. Again, smell. Yummy. And blow. Good job. Let's move on to the fourth breathing exercise. So, are you ready? Good. So now we are pretending to be the bees, the honey bees. And how they sound? The sound of letter M. This is the buzzing sound of buzzing bees. So please sit straight, tall, and breathe in through your nose and breathe out with the buzzing sound. Again, breathe in through your nose and breathe out with the buzzing sound. And feel the vibrations around you. Breathe in and breathe out with the buzzing sound and feel the vibrations. Great! This was the buzzing bee breathing exercise. Well done! So let's move on to the next exercise, and that's the bubble breathe exercise. And in bubble breathe exercise, what we are going to do, we are gonna pretend that we are holding a bubble wand. And breathe in through your nose and breathe out and blow. Make the bubbles. Again, breathe in and breathe out and make bubbles. So this is the bubble breathe exercise. So let's pretend that we are holding a bubble wand. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out and make bubbles. Let's do it once again. Breathe in through your nose. Inhale and exhale through your mouth and make bubbles. Oh, can you see? Just imagine beautiful bubbles around you. Let's pop them. Great. I hope you all enjoyed all these breathing exercises, and don't forget to keep practicing these breathing exercises. So stay healthy and stay happy. So bye bye for now, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my